Welcome to Cooking with Gringo. After a long day of using my tiny whisk, I work up a tiny thirst. Today we're going to make Espagueti Rojo, or for you gringos, Mexican red spaghetti. We're going to start with peeling 1 clove of garlic. We're going to quarter 1 onion. We're going to take half of that onion. We're going to finely dice it. To a pot over medium heat, we're going to add some olive oil. We're going to let that heat up. While that oil's heating up, we're going to add our onion that we diced. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon or 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. I'm using Lazy People garlic or jarlic. And we're going to saute that for about 2 minutes. Or until the onion starts to look translucent. Now the onions are translucent, we're going to take 3 medium ripe tomatoes, add them to the pot. 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. We're going to add half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. And we're going to cook for 5 minutes over medium heat. Now after 5 minutes, we're going to cut off the heat. We're going to set it aside and let it cool before we blend. To a large pot, we're going to add about 16 cups of water. We're going to salt our water. We're going to add in 1/4 of onion and that clove of garlic. Now we're just going to wait for the water to boil, and then we're going to add our noodles. Now that the water's starting to boil, we're going to add 7 ounces of noodles. Cook that until your desired doneness. Now the noodles are done, we're going to cut off the heat. We're going to take out the garlic and the 1/4 of an onion. We're going to reserve 1 cup of water. We're going to drain the pasta, and we're going to set it aside, and we're going to finish with our sauce. To the sauce, we're going to add 1 cup of Mexican crema. We're going to take our emulsion blender, and we're going to blend it up. Alternatively, if you don't have an emulsion blender, just add it to a blender or a food processor. We blend until smooth. We're going to cook this over medium-high heat for 10 minutes. Now it's cooked for 10 minutes. We're going to take it off the heat. Set it aside. Grab our noodles. Add the sauce mixture to the noodles. And we're going to add half a cup of the pasta water. Now we're going to cook that over medium heat for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, time to cut off the heat. And it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's a darn good spaghetti. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.